Okay, here's the problem. New home, new sink. Garbage disposal works great, but the sink won't drain. Let me show you the culprit. This is what they call a baffle. And what we've done basically is a little home engineering using a pair of kitchen shears. We simply took and cut every other tip off of this. And then the one next to it, we cut off a little bit of a strip all the way back to this hole. So now you've got a little place for the water to actually go down and you still have the baffle intact. So let's see what happens. Baffle back in, water on, full speed, down the middle, and that's how we roll.